second. I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter.
Nå er jeg akkurat kommet på skolen. Det er drittidlig. Og jeg skal snart gå til klassen. We're in class. I just want her on tape to remember this forever and ever.
Yeah, because that's nice.
It is nice. Don't you think?
What?
Did you have fun in math class today?
Oh yeah, it was amazing.
Right, I
I've
know.
never been so amazed.
Sebastian! Elsker deg!
Jeg kan godt lide dig.
Jeg kan godt lide deg. See how much
Was that really bad?
disgusting school lunch. Disgusting, I can't
Look
eat
at
this.
okay.
I ate my orange
I just
though.
need to get.
There's anything wrong
Wait.
with some
Focus.
my body,
You.
especially my stomach.
You. American lunch.
It's Friday.
Funny.
Okay, I have to tell you something.
Okay.
I have a tennis match today and yeah, I'm scared because I don't know. It's just so hard. You know what? Suck it up, okay?
Suck it up. What are you laughing at?
We're laughing. I was so proud that she gave her first time.
Temple Run.
She lied at me. No, died.
This is really awkward videotaping. Hello? Okay, we're going outside of the school. We're outside of the school. Oh, it's so nice out.
Oh yeah. Oh, good tennis weather.
Do you play tennis?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round.
I always forget that.
Okay, so 16 and 12.
16 and 12.
Hi, I have a really nice fact here. So Misha said she was a trendsetter, and it's kind of true because all the stoner boys on the school are starting to use the same jacket as her. Yeah, that's in my meteorology class, you know, Sebastian.
No one fucking wore that jacket before I came here, so like.
And that,
It's nice to be a trendsetter for stoner boys.
I'm videotaping.
Oh no.
Okay, where are we now?
We're upstairs at the school because we have a free SSR. I don't know. Yeah.
We have it off.
Yeah, because we don't have to take the test. We can
Sleep
come at 12 tomorrow.
Sly? What are you doing?
I know Norwegian.
Okay, speak Norwegian.
Speak some dirty one, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. Fun today, you dumb cook. You a dumb cook.
Oh my gosh, that's great. Okay, run.
1, 2, 3.
Awkward. Here we can look down to the main entrance. Here's the picture. Here you can see the junior-senior lounge. These are the stairs. We are walking down the hallway.
Oh my god!
Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but here's the view of the mountains. Oh, okay. And here's my beautiful art. Okay, it's really hard to see. Wait. Here's the wall of fame of Bury High School. Here's the other town. Here is the library. And now I'm running out of tape. Someone's excited for me coming home. Shut up! Shut up!
Cooking bang met z'n één keer. Yes. Oh, at the end.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's so cute. Look at that ring. Isn't it marvelous? So much fun at musical rehearsal in the hallway.
I'm so hungry. We can be together though.
Gratulerer med dagen, Sebastian.
Yay!
They were like, no, everybody were like, gratulerer så mycket.
Where are we guys going? Where are we guys going?
Rodeo place.
Rodeo! Ditching school! YOLO!
Oh my god.
In Boulder, where are we going?
Urban Outfitters.
We're going Urban Outfitters. Misha is so ready. Misha the hipster did it again.
I'm just creative.
Hey llama. Hey llama.
Mr. Llama
It's a llama.
Yo, Mr.
It's a llama.
It's a very good.
On the 29th Street.
Filming myself here.
Yo. Swag.
I have
Hashtag YOLO.
Wearing like a jacket.
I'm gonna miss this place. Hurensohn.
Luister daar. Ik zou even bij Isabel bij
Scheiße, Hurensohn.
Ich kann auch. Du bist eine Hurensohn.
Dankeschön. Say hi guys. Hey.
Oh, so good. Hey, wie findest du den?
Say hallo. Patrick.
Hallo.
Hallo. Wie geht's?
Wunderbar.
Okay.
Scheiße.
Scheiße, Hurensohn.
Scheiße.
Hei bloggen. Nå er vi i Flatiron. Nei, altså, nå er vi på shopping, og det er veldig kult. Og vi har kjempegøy, og vi shopper, og nå styrer alle på oss. Jeg vinket tilbake. Han styrer på oss. Nå skal jeg vinke tilbake. Og da smilte han det. Jeg er så kul da. Dette var vår første videoblogg i dag. Over og ut.
Over og ut.
Aloha!
Hang loose.
Hang loose.
Filme rundt her. Okay. Det er fordi den er dritsvær. Nordmenn i Amerika.
Nordmenn og dansker i Amerika.
Ja.
Vi har en danske med oss i dag også.
vi liker danskene.
Vi liker å ha...
Vi snakker ikke bergensk mer med Nora.
Seriøst, jeg gjør faktisk ikke det.
Nei, jeg vet.
Du snakker bare bokmål.
Det er litt sånn føler...
Så du kan snakke bokmål uten å lage den lyse stemmen din?
Lage fra Sandefjord? Herregud. Ok, nå ønsker vi. Okay.
Enter the short way to heaven.
Oh, that's fine. I don't know how to end this.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
We're going to prom.
Oh, the thing is, you also have
Heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now.
We can't see us.
feel the feeling.